Bismillah. Hi everybody. We're gonna learn about an amazing turmeric tea today. How it can help your thyroid, help you to lose weight, and heal up so many diseases. Please subscribe and keep on watching. Before we go any further, I'm not a doctor, and if you have a thyroid problem or any medical conditions, you should consult your doctor first before taking this tea. Your thyroid gland is a small gland that is in your neck. It helps to regulate your hormones, your metabolism, and so many body functions related to your hormone balance. Many people go to the doctor to get prescriptions to help manage this, but there are natural ways for you to fix this, and this is one of them. For those of you who have hypothyroidism, taking turmeric tea daily has been proven to reduce inflammation. Turmeric may help treat metabolic syndrome, inflammatory conditions, chronic pain, degenerative eye conditions, reduce your risk of heart disease, and also help reduce your risk of Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric contains high levels of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which is very beneficial for your body and managing autoimmune conditions. There have been many studies using turmeric for joint pain and arthritis. Because it is an anti-inflammatory, it is really good for helping your thyroid to heal. And I'm going to share with you in this tea recipe a secret ingredient that will help it to work even better for you. Alright, how to make the tea? We are just making a small batch for about 2 cups of tea. I'm going to use fresh turmeric because fresh is always better. But you can use powdered turmeric as well, it works. You will need a half a teaspoon of powdered turmeric, or you can use about a whole teaspoon of fresh turmeric. I'm going to grate it up because this makes it more available and comes out in the tea much stronger. And we're going to add to this black pepper. I have these black peppercorns. We're going to use about half a spoon. If you're using ground black pepper, you'll just use a quarter of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Black pepper increases the bioavailability of the turmeric by up to 2,000%. So you don't want to leave this out. The curcumin is hard to be absorbed by itself, so it needs some helpers. So this is one of them that really increases the ability for this to work for your body. Also, if you're interested in having a teacup like mine, I'm leaving a link in the description box below. I'm going to add about 2 cups of water and bring this to a boil. Once it boiled, we're going to just turn it off and let it steep for about 5 minutes. And now we're going to add some extra virgin coconut oil. This is another very important ingredient. Turmeric is a fat soluble, which means that using the coconut oil will also help it to be absorbed much better into the body. Coconut oil is very good for your thyroid and nourish your thyroid glands. Do not skip any of the ingredients. You need the turmeric, the black pepper, and the coconut oil. Together, the 3 are super powerful to get this to be absorbed over 2,000% more into your body, which is amazing and will definitely help your body much better. And the last thing we're going to add is a spoon of honey. You do not need to add the honey if you don't want to. And you need to drink this tea every day for at least 4 to 8 weeks just to start to feel the difference. I hope you all give it a try. Leave a comment down below how you like it. Please leave a like. I would so appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.